Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar and you're watching my channel Muhammad Atiq Anwar and Education for Us All. So as you can see, I am endeavoring once again to be in the kitchen to do the section that I call cooking made simple. So this is at the request of many friends who have asked me to go back to some cooking sessions. I am finding it difficult to do the longer sessions, but there are many what can I say, smoothies and health drinks and ice creams that I make quite regularly. I think if you look on the net, on YouTube, there are many AI videos that I've been following. So this is a very simple recipe that I make quite regularly. So as you can see, we have some beetroot and we have some bananas, and that is the recipe really. So you want a whole beetroot and 2 bananas. A glass of water will be needed and some honey, which is optional. Okay, so this is particularly good for fibre, anemia. So if you're anemic, this is very good, and also of course for blood pressure. नाज़रीन खुश आमदीद, मेरा नाम है मोहम्मद अतीक अनवर और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल मोहम्मद अतीक अनवर एंड एजुकेशन फॉर अस ऑल। जैसा देख सकते हैं एक बार फिर हमें किचन में है। तो ये है जी एक छोटी सी हेल्थ रेसिपी। वैसे तो मेरा इरादा नहीं था बनाने का, मगर कुछ दोस्तों ने कहा कि ये और जो आइसक्रीम्स रेसिपीज़ आपके पास हैं वो दिखाएं। तो ये बहुत सी सिंपल रेसिपी है। इसमें हम एक बीटरूट यानी चुकंदर डालेंगे और 2 बनानास। ओके, और इसके साथ आप शहद यानी हनी भी डाल सकते हैं और 1 ग्लास पानी। Okay, so I am on my own because the assistance is no longer available. So I'm going to put the items in the blender and then show you the final result. अच्छा नाज़रीन, हम blender में डालेंगे तो फिर आपको final result दिखाएंगे। Okay, so as I say, we've got the beetroot and we've got the bananas. We're going to add the water in there, a glass of water. Hopefully you can see there's a teaspoon of honey in there. Okay, we have everything in the blender. Let's give it a good blend. Okay, I think about a minute should do it. And there is our final product. So I'm going to pour that into a glass and have a taste. And there is our final product. I have had a taste. I assure you it's really lovely and sweet. If you want it more sweeter, then of course lots of honey. I wouldn't recommend sugar because that defeats the object a little bit. So that with ice, you know, is very refreshing, and you know, especially in these in the summer that we've had. I know hopefully there'll be more of it. Okay, so there you have it. So as I say, this will help with fibre, anemia and blood pressure. नाज़रीन, ये है जी हमारा फाइनल प्रोडक्ट। मैंने अभी टेस्ट किया है तो ये बहुत ही टेस्टी है। अगर आप ज़्यादा स्वीट चाहते हैं तो शहद यानी हनी और ज़्यादा डाल सकते हैं। तो ये जो है जी मिक्सचर, ये एनीमिक लोगों के लिए मुफीद है और फाइबर में भी इजाफा होगा और ब्लड प्रेशर के लिए भी ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है। Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Please keep watching. I'm going to try and produce as many of these as possible because obviously these are very easy to do. They're very simple recipes, this and ice creams and a few other what can we say, health drinks that we regularly make in the house. So thank you for watching once again. Please keep watching. Please tell all your friends about the channel. Until the next time, look after yourselves, look after others. नाजरीन बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, उम्मीद है आप ये ट्राई करेंगे तो ये क्या क्या बहुत ही हेल्थी है और इंशाल्लाह मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि as many as possible ये जो सेहत वाले ड्रिंक्स और आइसक्रीम्स है जो हम अक्सर बनाते हैं समर में वो आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे। ओके जी, अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना। अल्लाह हाफिज़।